This fund is set to benefit 44,560 students across all education levels, ensuring that financial constraints do not hinder their academic advancement. As such, my administration has been actively channeling these resources towards progressing this sector, implementing various programs and initiatives, including the bursary fund being launched today. This fund will ensure that our children from many parts of the county have access to quality and affordable education.
Students within West Pokot County must remain in school, and is an offense for anybody to send learners home for fees because the government is catering for their education.
Na